y'all, welcome to 2980 Kingswood Drive here in Richmond Hill, Georgia in the Buckhead East community. There is a ton to offer here in this neighborhood, and Andrea is going to tell us a little bit about this house.
So it has 5 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, plus a loft area. It has a fully fenced in yard, a 3-car garage, and it's walking distance to the elementary school.
It even has a bedroom and a full bath on the first floor if you have guests or somebody visiting get their own space.
For someone that needs first floor living.
Yep.
So come check it out.
Let us show you around.
Okay, let's take a look. And take a tour. We are here in Buckhead East. This entrance is amazing. I love the double ceiling for the entrances. Makes it feel so grand. This is just really big space. So obviously that's upstairs. This is a really wide hallway as you walk in. And the floors are an awesome light neutral color. They kind of are coming up grayish on the camera, but they have a lot of color in them, but more of a tan color. And you can see all the windows in the entryway. It's so nice and bright. So then you walk in and there's hallway, living room, and so many windows with the 3 across the back, the 2 in the dining room, the 2 on either side. It's a great space. And then you have these arched doorways, which gives it some character. The living room, and then the arched doorways as well into the dining room and kitchen. So they have a treadmill here so you can kind of see how much space there is. It's large. The light matches the one in the entrance. There's a great coffee bar or wine bar in the dining room. That's nice. And then your dining room also has the high top seating. You can put at least 4 bar stools across there. And it leads right open into the kitchen. So you can see the floors a little bit better here with the brown cabinets, so you can tell they're like a tan. But these countertops have so much room and so nice to look out if you're doing dishes out to the rest of the house there, or have company. You know, everyone always congregates in the kitchen. The spaces are all very wide, like apart. There's a lot of room to put a couple shorter bar stools here too, with the hangover there as well. Pantry, and more counter space and cabinets. So a lot of storage. Let's take a look out back while we're here. I love the single pane glass lets in all the light. Fully fenced in yard. There's trees back behind you, so it's like a buffer there. They have a trampoline there, of course, and this is the screened in, or not screened in, this is the patio. I was thinking it would be very easy to screen it in if you wanted to, because all the columns and everything and the ceiling fan are already there, so it would not take all that much work to screen it in. And everything feels really spacious. And again, the arched doorways give more character. Closet, garage. It is a 3-car garage. And then this is an ensuite bath. So you have, this is your downstairs bathroom. And you did some wallpaper and painted it. So then you have your shower, and it goes back pretty deep. So this bedroom on the first floor is connected with a door to the bathroom. So it is a true like guest suite or ensuite for someone that needed first floor living or for guests or family members. It is an ensuite since you have the door here. And then you have the door in the hallway as well. So let's go take a look upstairs. So it's 5 bedrooms total. So you have the ensuite downstairs, plus this huge loft. This house gets great light. I've said that a lot, but some houses do not. So you have laundry, primary suite, bedroom. And then the 2 other bedrooms on this side with the bathroom. So it's all kind of, the loft is just in the center of it all. And it's very large. So let's take a look at this bedroom. Nice that it has this little hallway, like you're not staring from the loft directly into the bedroom. It has this little alcove. Closet. Could be a little reading nook over there. That is another closet as well. So let's take a look over on this side. So this is your laundry. And this is your primary suite. And again, it's nice that you're not just staring into the bedroom. Like they have these like L shape. So it's a king size bed, so you can tell how large this room is. Tray ceiling, all of the windows. Has a big closet. It's hard to tell on video how big things are, but this is a large closet. And your primary bath. 1 sink here, linen closet, and another sink on the other side with some more counter space. Water closet with a separate door. Large garden tub with a nice window and a good size stand-up shower. Sometimes they're pretty small, but that's a good size. And the same flooring as downstairs, so it carries it through. Now let's take a look at the other side. Again, this loft is very large. So, closet. So here's one of the bedrooms on this side, in the front of the house. And again, the bathroom. This one is an ensuite. It's a Jack and Jill, sort of. It goes out to the hallway on the other side. So this room here has the door in the bedroom with the sink on this side. And you have your shower and toilet with doors. And then you have this larger vanity. That goes out to the hallway. So that's why I said sort of Jack and Jill, because the bedroom over there and this bedroom behind me would use this side of the bathroom. So it's just out, the door is just outside this bedroom. Cute little alcove there. All these rooms are very spacious. There's your closet. And then you have a closet in the hallway and loft too, just outside of the bathroom. There's 2 pools here in Buckhead East. It's close enough to the military bases, beaches, walking distance to McAllister Elementary School. Let me know what else we can tell you about Buckhead East. They are moving and packing, so obviously don't mind that, but I just wanted to show you how large this 3-car garage is. So you have the double door there, space in between, and then the single door there.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to view these videos and other ones we put out.